Morning, it's Sam from Smiles Driving. Just catching up, just doing a quick video following on from the last one. Just up in sunny Sheffield, clearing out my daughter's flat. Following on from the last video, going out with parents. More and more people are going out learning to drive with their parents, I can see. Seen it on the roads, on the walks that I'm doing recently. I've seen lots of cars. All I will say is make sure that you tie it in with some sort of essential travel. Go to the shops, go for a walk. Don't just go out for jollies for long periods of time learning to drive. I would tie it in somehow. Be careful if you're going into the supermarket car parks. You don't want to be bumping each other's car. So yeah, people are going out with their parents. I'm not saying it's correct. I'm not saying the DVSA will give you permission to do so, because we're not getting that much information from the DVSA anyway, unfortunately. Regarding the driving tests in June and July, that I've got 10 tests. First one starting on the 26th of July. Heard nothing at all. We're looking like we're going to be phase 3 going back on the 4th of July at the minute, but nothing's in writing. Anything about driving instructors isn't listed anywhere, and there's about 40,000 of us up and down the country. Friday night we got an email saying that Monday's theory tests were cancelled, and then we got another email saying that the 2nd and 3rd of June are cancelled. 4th of June tomorrow onwards, who knows? If you've got your theory test booked in for tomorrow, fingers crossed it goes ahead. If I get anything from the DVSA, I post it on here as much as I can. I put as much information on here as feasibly possible. I am teaching key workers, so if you're a key worker, give me a call. From what I see on the government site at the moment, it's critical workers that have got their practical test booked in. So if you're a critical worker in the NHS and you've got your test booked in, or you wanted to book your test, I'm happy to do that. I think the tests are coming through fairly quickly, within a couple of weeks. So if you are wanting to do that, you might need some sort of intensive course. I do have one critical worker that I can think of, and she knows who she is, and if she wanted to go ahead, I know she's thinking about it at the moment, and we were looking at booking a test in Wigston. So I'm happy to do that. She knows who she is. If she wants to make contact with me again, I'll go ahead with that. I really was hoping to go back around sort of 20th of June and do all these tests, but it's not looking very likely, and I don't know anything more than anybody else. As soon as I do, I will put it on here. Okay, hope you're all keeping well. Awful day today, but keep busy. I'm keeping busy. Speak to you soon. Cheers.